What's up, everybody? Had a company reach out to me. They emailed me, wanted to send me a belt to try out on side-by-side. So I was like, sure, I'll do it. Give an honest review. So they said that's what they want, an honest review on it. So let's see what we got here. This is a StarKnightMT. StarKnightMT belt. Never heard of it. I just put a brand new belt and clutches in my side-by-side. So a buddy of mine has a RZR, same belt. So we're gonna put it on his. This is StarKnightMT. Installation tips, clean clutch and install new belt, blah, 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 break-in process. We'll get into that a little bit later. I did not pay for this belt. They reached out to me. They are not sponsoring me. They are not paying me. They just said, hey, we'll give you a free belt if you want to try it out, do a review on it. So that's what we're doing. Like I said, this is not sponsored whatsoever. So, all right, we're going to throw this on this RZR 900, and I'll show you how we do it real quick, and then we were going to go riding tomorrow. So we'll put it to the test, see what it does. Here we go. We are going to start by taking the belt box cover off. It is a 5/16. And take the cover off. And this is, do a quick inspection of it. Belt doesn't look too bad. It was slipping last time we went riding, so figured we would go ahead and put a new belt on it and see how this new belt does. All right, let me get this belt off and we will clean this baby up. I'm gonna go ahead and take this tire off so it's easier to get to. Get him, Cujo. Oh, get this grippy ground grabber out my way. All right. Now we can get in here and squeeze this belt. Much better. Now I should be able to take it right off. Got it. Oh, stubborn. All right. Got the belt off. There's a little bit of glazing on it, but it really doesn't look too bad. Sheets feel good. All right, what I'm gonna do, guys, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blow this belt box out. We're gonna take a Scotch-Brite, gonna clean it all up, and we will put the new belt on and do our break-in period. All right, I went ahead and took Scotch-Brite and cleaned the faces of both the primary and secondary clutch. Get the glaze off of it. Now I'm gonna take an air hose and blow everything out. I blew out the belt box with some compressed air. Now I took the gasket out and I washed it with some mild soap and water. It's a little sandy. So I'm gonna take a damp rag, no soap, no nothing, no chemicals, no nothing, just water. And I'm gonna clean out this little groove that the gasket goes on, and I'm gonna wipe everything down. Like I said, it's just water, just a damp rag. No chemicals whatsoever, no soap or anything. You don't want anything on these clutch faces. All right, I went ahead and took a damp rag, wiped everything down. I'm gonna go and blow it out one more time, and then we will put it back together. Go ahead and put the new belt on. It has arrows on the top, which it really shouldn't matter, but I'm gonna follow directions. Put the arrows on which way it goes. Put it on the primary. And my tool. There it goes. All right, got the new belt on. So got it in the correct direction on which way it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and put the gasket on. I took the foam gasket off so we can wash it and then get all the dirt and stuff out of the little groove here. Make sure it's seated all the way around. Looks good. All right. Go ahead and put the clutch cover back on. You don't want to kill these things. You will strip out the plastic on the belt box. So got to be careful when you tighten these bolts up. All right, go ahead and put this. God dang, this freaking heavy. Holy crap. Get some heavy gum tires. Grippy ground grabbers. Put the tire and wheel back on. All right, gonna set it down. And we're gonna torque it to 120 foot-pounds, guys, 120 foot-pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the old belt right here. It is quite a bit narrower. It's probably about 1/8 of an inch narrower than the new belt, so it's definitely got some miles on it, some hours on it. Got some glazing, so got a new belt. Now guys, the break-in process on this belt, per StarKnightMT. Start the engine, run at normal working temperature for about 15 minutes. Test each gear once during driving, accelerating with the throttle not at full, up to 3/4, then turn off the engine until the belt is completely cooled, about 30 minutes. Then repeat again. Try not to let the belt semi-friction for a long time during use. Finally, you can enjoy driving with safe. Warm tips. Do not pry on the belt without opening the secondary clutch. Guys, I'm just reading from the instructions. That's what it says. So what you want to do is low range is the best if you don't have a real place that you can go out and ride it for a while. But go run it low range, low gear, and for, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Enough for the belt to get to operating temperature. Like I said, let it sit for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Run it again, let it sit. That's all you need to break your belt in. Usually just run it twice, run it once, let it cool, run it again, and the belt's broke in. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Like I said, guys, this is StarKnightMT. Sent me the belt. We're gonna take this and my side-by-side tomorrow to ride for a while and definitely break the belt. We'll try to break it in tonight. If not, we'll break it in the morning. And I will follow up on this video and see what it does. Guys, if you would, please like, subscribe, comment, share this video. I'll have more reviews like this to come, and hope everybody enjoyed. Okay, my final thoughts. I was very impressed with the belt. We put it on, did the break-in period, ran it for 15-20 minutes, got the belt up to operating temperature, and let it cool down for about 30 minutes. Did it again, ran up to about operating temperature, ran it for like 20-30 minutes, easy, half, 3/4 throttle, nothing major. Let it cool down again. It was good, pretty much broke in. That's the standard break-in procedure for most belts out there. Very positive engagement, quick engagement of the belt when you go to take off. Felt really well. We rode, shoot, probably 6-7 hours and did great. Now, the machine the belt was put on was a Polaris RZR 900. It has 29.5 Outlaw 2s on it all the way around. So it's a little much for a stock belt, but like I said, did very, very well. We went through normal trails, went some mud, got stuck a couple times, turned it really well, very positive engagement. Then, towards the end of the day, we got through some nasty stuff, and all of a sudden it started slipping. Well, the belt got hot. We was going through some really thick mud, so that's a lot of tires to turn on a stock clutch with the belt, stock belt. So got a little hot, let it cool down, ran again, then got some more nasty stuff. Smoked the belt. The belt completely smoked. I mean, there was smoke coming out from the belt case. We were in some nasty stuff. That is a lot of tire to turn on that 900, especially without a gear reduction, without any clutch work or anything. It's stock clutches on it. Now, for a factory vehicle with factory tires, you know, 27s, even 28, something like that, very not major aggressive tires, that belt will probably work fine for a stock vehicle. Even for a 1000, a stock vehicle, it should probably work fine. On my General, it'd probably be fine because I have the stock tires on it. Now, here is the video of the aftermath of the belt. Here is the conclusion on this belt. It has starting to come apart right there, a couple pieces there. Inside of the cover, as y'all saw earlier, it was clean because I cleaned it all out. All of this right here is all belt debris. All debris from the belt. As you can see in that video, there is belt debris all in the belt box cover. The belt is starting to fray. That's without even taking the belt off and looking at the whole thing. That's just opening the cover and is what I've seen firsthand. That belt, like I said, for a stock vehicle with stock tires, probably worked fine. For what we put it through yesterday, didn't even last one day. So, would I buy that belt? I probably would if I had a stock vehicle around the farm or just normal everyday stuff. Nothing major, yeah, it'd probably be fine. Would I buy that belt for aggressive mud riding? No, I would not. That is my non-professional, personal opinion. But like I said, it was very impressive at first. I was like, man, this thing's actually pretty awesome for the price of, you can get those on Amazon, I believe. It is a StarKnight, hold it up here, StarKnightMT is the belt company. Like I said, I did not buy this belt. They sent it to me to try out, to do a review on, which I did, and I told them I was giving my honest opinion. Like I said, for a stock vehicle, definitely. I would definitely say go buy it. See what happens. I do not have a stock vehicle to put it on, so I can't try that out, but that's my opinion, guys. Would I say buy it? Sure. Would I say buy it and do aggressive mud riding with some big tires? Definitely not. So, all right, hope you like this video. Like I said, I am very honest. I am very transparent. I will say how it is and how I think about it. So, hope y'all like the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and see y'all next time.